Have you ever needed to manage multiple accounts without getting blocked? In this video, I will show you how to easily use multiple browser profiles in GoLogin using DataImpulse proxies. In many fields today, like social media, e-commerce, scraping, or ad verification, multiple accounts are must. If you need full session isolation and easy multi-account management, follow these steps. To add multiple profiles in GoLogin, click the arrow next to Add Profile, enter the number you need, and hit Add Multiple Profiles. Once they are created, you can rename them if needed, but we will go straight to proxy setup. Click the proxy icon or open the bulk proxy section. Next, assign proxies. Paste your proxies one per line, making sure each one matches a profile. For example, one with port 10,000, another with 10001. And the final step is to click Update Proxy. And you're done! Each profile now has its own unique proxy for clean, isolated sessions. Power your workflows with DataImpulse proxies. No contracts, just fast, targeted connections and real support anytime you need it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and see you soon.